Hi, I'm Meredith McGrath, the registered dietitian at Redner's Markets, and I'm excited to partner with the Medical Society of Delaware to take you on a tour of our grocery aisles. Another aisle that has some hidden nutrition is the grain aisle, which includes pasta and rice. With so many options to choose from, without a doubt you'll find one that works for you.
If you are looking for whole grains and increased fiber, look for whole wheat pasta. This does have a different flavor profile than traditional white pasta. It tends to be a bit more nutty and earthy with a denser texture. You can try to slowly introduce it by mixing it with traditional pasta, or try one of the high protein, high fiber pastas. This will give you the added nutrition with a taste and texture you are familiar with.
There are also pastas made from lentils. These make great pasta salads and side dishes. But no matter what pasta you choose, make sure you focus on serving size. Stick to around 1 cup of cooked pasta. And you can even add vegetables to your pasta or the sauce to add more bulk to be more satisfying.
When selecting rice, consider buying brown rice or a high-protein alternative like quinoa. If you are looking for a pre-made sauce, label reading will be key. Traditional pasta sauce can be loaded with sugar and salt.
Compare some of your favorites to see which one has less. Or you may even want to consider making your own. With a simple base of crushed tomatoes, add spices and herbs to your liking. Speaking of spices, this is an aisle you should keep on your radar. Having a pantry full of spices is key to adding flavor without sodium to all of your favorite dishes.
I like to buy my staple spices in larger containers since I know I use them often. Common spices include black pepper, cumin, thyme, paprika, and oregano. If you are unsure what spices to buy, check out spice blends. They could be used for many dishes and often give suggestions for usage on the container. Just give a quick glance to make sure there is no added sodium.
Before we wrap up, here's a quick checklist.
Serving size first. Total carbs and added sugars, keep them low. Sodium, aim under 2,300 milligrams daily. Fiber, 3 grams or more per serving. Saturated fat, less than 10% of daily calories.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our time together. And although we didn't go through all 50,000 items, I hope this tour helped. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be perfect. It's all about making small, sustainable changes. Every cart you fill is a chance to nourish yourself and your family.